Mika, hold that for you. Oh yeah, now. Oh yeah, say your name.
Hi, my name is Tina Basi.
Hi, my name is Mojisola.
And we're being what? Confusion.
Okay, so the play is quite interesting. I'm sorry I'm doing all these things, and I feel like depression is something that most people don't talk about, and it's something that we should really begin to pay attention to, because by the time we bottle up everything and then there's nobody sensitizing us, educating us, and creating awareness to tell us that this thing is not basically the end of the road, and then there can be solutions or there can be way forward. So I think that this play has been able to share insights and show that actually there can be way forward. Just find the right people, speak to the right people. Do not be afraid to speak up. Like they always say, Sorosuke, you know.
Sorosuke generation.
That's what's up.
I love everything about the play. Honestly, the characters really brought out the whole depression and everything. Excellent play, excellent people. I really love it. Yeah, that's it.
Hi, I'm Tayo Dusoya. I came to see Unnoticed. I came to see my friend Patrick Popolampo. Shout out to Patrick. He did very good. Everyone, the cast did very good. The play was a very good one. Very interesting, very informative, telling us about the ills, the mental health ills in our society, and what actually goes on in society in Nigeria. It was a good one. You should see it if at all it comes up again anywhere, and get your mental health checked. We know we live in a very stressful country, but then again, there are solutions from any angle, every angle, individual, political, society. Thank you very much.
Hi guys, hi everyone. So today I came to see the play Unnoticed. My name is Tolani Oyedijo. I was invited by my friend Patrick. He was one of the cast. The play was really nice. It was worth it. I loved every scene from the beginning. From the beginning, I liked the energy that was kept in the drama. It was a lot. It was really nice. I like the fact that the drama was audible. I like the fact that everyone was able to express their stories in different lights, which was very nice. I like the fact that the drama was based on what is currently happening in the society, unemployment, relationship, job opportunities, rape, which was very nice. It was honestly the best. I honestly wish that like this play can be shown to different people, because it actually gave people, it gave me hope, because there are people that are actually going through a lot that we don't know about, but like I feel like there's hope for everyone. Like this drama was really worth it. Like I'm really happy I came to see this play. Thank you so much. I love you guys. Thank you.
Okay, my name is Ehi. I came here with a friend just to chill out on Sunday, and I stumbled upon this play, Esther's Revenge. I mean, it was a very powerful and inspiring message. It's a message to take on for the year. I mean, we may have had bad periods this year, but we need time, and we needed this time to reflect. I mean, these are ills that we battle in the society on a daily basis. And if they are not dealt with, it just becomes worse and worse. You know, these things never really improve on their own. They just continue to get worse, and then they continue to affect people, and then people are becoming more silent about these things. I mean, in this internet age and smartphones, you think everybody is all right, but it's not really the case. You know, so this was really a time to reflect and to become more aware of the issues we have and the need for a quick addressing of these problems so that society can be better at large. Thank you.
Okay, my name is Caroline Inzelu. I'm a thespian too. Bumi invited me. I've done some jobs with her. She's a fantastic actor, and she writes as an, I don't even know what to say. I'm actually speechless with what I just watched today. It's beyond my imagination for a young writer like her that's just coming up, and she can put up a wonderful piece like this. It's mind-blowing. For those that didn't come to watch this, oh, I'm so sorry, you actually missed a lot. But I don't know what to say, but it was a very wonderful piece.
Okay, I'm Akpabio Samuel by name, and I was invited to this play by Melu Jeff, one of the actors. Now, about the play, something different from what I've been used to. Like the creativity was unique and it was pronounced. Like it's something out of the norm. And then the writing, I love what the writer did with the words, and it was awesome. It was awesome. Thank you.
I'm Adeika, and I was here at the home. Unnoticed, I watched the play. I really enjoyed it, and it was really emotional. Like at some point, I was almost shedding tears, but I enjoyed it, and all the same, I enjoyed it. The movie was on point.
Good evening, everyone. I'm Dr. Akonde Eniola. I was invited by one of the cast, Patrick, and I must say for my first play, it was a beautiful one. Depression is one of the issues facing us as a society, which we've not adequately tackled, and I think things like this coming from the creative section of our population, coming from young people, will actually go a long way in both improving our awareness and helping people feel more comfortable in talking about it. And I think it's really a good one from the director, from the producers, and from the actors. So it's a brilliant work, and I really appreciate it. I was really grateful for being part of it. Thank you.
My name is Elizabeth. Actually, I came to this place. Patrick invited me, one of the cast here, and I'm really happy to be here because I'm only talking about what is happening in the society right now. Because it's trying to tell us that we shouldn't be depressed on any situation we find ourselves. I really love the play. I love the way it is, like just so absolutely excellent and very brilliant. I love the way they did everything. The performance, it was so like I can't even start explaining. The plays, everything was there. I actually loved it. So